post-COVID, a lot of things will change in our lives. We all will have to adapt to what is called as the new normal. And one of the things that will happen is less use of office spaces and more people working from home. And working from home has a lot of advantages and a few disadvantages also. So most of us, when we work from home, we will be either sitting in front of our laptops or desktops. And there is a tendency for us to forget that we have been sitting for extended periods of time. One of the concepts that is associated with general health and with weight loss is NEAT, what is also called as non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Now, what does this mean? There are a lot of people who engage in physical activity every day, for example, an hour a day in the morning. So the usual recommendation is a minimum activity of 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. So there are people who achieve this, but what some people do is that they limit themselves to that activity and the rest of the day they spend being very, very inactive. So this may be because you have a desk job or your activity levels are a little low. So this could be one of the reasons. So as opposed to, for example, a construction worker or somebody who's working in a restaurant who spends a lot of time on their feet walking around, a person who's sitting at a desk and has a desk job has a lower NEAT level, non-exercise activity thermogenesis level. So the number of calories they burn is lesser. Now this is not only associated with calories, it is associated with your general health also. Someone who just works out for an hour a day and then spends the rest of the day sitting at a desk is what is called as an active couch potato. So you still stand a very high risk of certain chronic diseases. So in order to avoid this, there are a few tips that you can follow. Number one is ensure that you set an alarm or a reminder for yourself every 1 hour, so that after an hour, whenever you get a reminder, get up and walk around for 5 minutes, take the stairs for 5 minutes, or do any activity which will keep you on your feet. So if you do this for about, let's say you're working 10 hours a day. So if you do this, just this activity of 5 minutes every 1 hour adds up to 60 minutes of exercise per day. So unconsciously, just by incorporating a small change, you're increasing your non-exercise activity thermogenesis to about 60 minutes. So that is a wonderful thing to do. Second thing is, if you're not able to get up and walk around, just get up, stand, and then sit back on your chair. So do that about 20 times, what we call as squats. It replicates the movement of your squat movement. So you can do this also. So these things you can consciously incorporate into your day-to-day lifestyle to increase your activity throughout the day if you're sitting at a desk or working from home.